Top 5 Stremio Add-ons Full Guide for Beginners. The top 5 Stremio add-ons in 2025 for beginners or Torrentio, Open Subtitles, YouTube, Netflix, and IMDb. These add-ons offer streaming subtitles and content discovery. Now, let's start with Torrentio. So Torrentio is best for free streaming. What it does, it streams content via torrent sources directly in Stremio, and why it's great, it's because it offers a massive library of movies and shows. It is perfect for users comfortable with unofficial sources and using VPN for privacy. Now, second on the list would be Open Subtitles. It is best for subtitles, and what it does, it automatically fetches subtitles in multiple languages. Why it's great? Seamless integration with Stremio playback, and it is perfect for non-native speakers or anyone watching foreign content. Now, third on the list would be YouTube. It is best for free videos and channels. What it does lets you stream YouTube video directly in Stremio. Why it's great, it's easy access to tutorials, music, and entertainment, and it is perfect for casual viewers and content creators. Now, fourth on our list would be Netflix. So it is best for premium streaming integration. What it does, it links your Netflix account to Stremio for unified browsing. Why it's great, keeps all your streaming in one place, and it is perfect for Netflix subscribers who want a centralized media hub. And last on our list would be IMDb. So, its purpose is to provide rating, trailer, and cast info. And why it's useful, it's because it's great for deciding what to watch next. Now, to be able to install all of the mentioned add-ons in Stremio, go ahead and open the Stremio app, go to the add-on section, browse or search for an add-on, and then click install. It's instant and free. And that is basically the top 5 Stremio add-ons for beginners.